We live in an ever-changing world. A world where old ideas become replaced with modern, more practical sustainable ideas and methods. We offer a more sustainable outlook in regards to modern carpet cleaning. In fact, our dry carpet cleaning method uses 97% less water than traditional truck-mounted wet systems that are currently on the market. Our system has been proven time and time again in scientific tests to get carpets cleaner without the risk of any water damage to your carpets and fine rugs. But you won't need a scientist to see your carpets are fresh, clean, and dry immediately. Welcome to the world of dry organic carpet cleaning. 100% green, 1 hour dry time, and no returning stains. All our work is 100% guaranteed. Our system saves billions of gallons of drinking water every year. For greener, cleaner, healthier, safer carpet cleaning. Call us today.